Did you know that cloves are the dried, unopened flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree? These rich brown spices are grown in Madagascar, Indonesia, and Sri Lanka, and are often used in spice cookies and cakes. Interestingly, the name cloves comes from the French word clou, which means nail. Cinnamon has a sweet and woody flavor with a subtle hint of citrus. Its spicy taste is often compared to the strong kick of cloves. In terms of flavor, there is no difference between ground cinnamon and cinnamon sticks, but they are used differently. The mixture of cloves and cinnamon is a potent elixir with countless health benefits. You have to watch this video until the end to discover the 10 unique advantages of this combination. Get ready to be amazed by the remarkable properties of cloves and cinnamon. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we explore the incredible health benefits of natural ingredients. In today's video, we're about to unveil a powerful morning ritual that involves drinking cloves with cinnamon. By incorporating these two potent spices into your daily routine, you might be amazed by the transformative effects they can have on your body. Get ready to discover the magic that happens when you start your day with this aromatic and beneficial drink. Metabolism Booster. Cloves and cinnamon are known for their metabolism-boosting properties. Starting your morning with this spice-infused drink can kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn calories more effectively throughout the day. When you combine cloves and cinnamon in a drink and consume it in the morning, you're effectively introducing eugenol and cinnamaldehyde to your body simultaneously. This synergy could enhance the individual metabolic effects of each spice. Moreover, the warming and stimulating properties of both herbs can lead to a temporary increase in metabolic rate, often called the thermogenic effect. This effect can result in a slight calorie expenditure boost as your body processes and metabolizes the spices. Digestive Aid. Did you know that cloves and cinnamon can potentially help relieve discomfort caused by spasms in the digestive tract muscles? These natural spices contain compounds that can effectively relax the muscles, reducing cramps and promoting smoother digestion. Combining these two spices in a drink can create a powerful blend that aids digestion. Additionally, the warmth and comfort of the drink can help set a positive tone for your digestive processes throughout the day. Both cloves and cinnamon have been used traditionally to aid digestion. Drinking this aromatic concoction can promote healthy digestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate indigestion. Blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. By incorporating cinnamon into your morning routine, you might experience better blood sugar control. Adding cinnamon to your morning routine can be a simple and flavorful way to potentially enhance blood sugar control. You can sprinkle cinnamon onto your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie, or even stir it into your morning coffee or tea. By doing so, you're giving your body an early dose of cinnamon's beneficial compounds, which may have a positive impact on your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Antioxidant Powerhouse. Did you know that cloves and cinnamon are rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress? Starting your day with a drink infused with these powerful compounds can greatly enhance your body's ability to combat oxidative stress. When you nourish your cells with these potent antioxidants early in the morning, you give your body a crucial advantage in maintaining good health and preventing damage caused by free radicals. Immune system boost. You may be surprised to learn that cloves and cinnamon possess antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties that can significantly strengthen your immune system. One simple way to incorporate these spices into your daily routine is by adding them to a flavorful beverage. Not only will you savor a delicious indulgence, you'll also be providing your body with essential antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant compounds. This, in turn, will bolster your body's resistance to infections and diseases. Inflammation reduction. By integrating cloves and cinnamon into your diet, you're providing your body with a flavorful and natural way to potentially reduce inflammation and alleviate discomfort from conditions like arthritis. These spices, with their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, offer a gentle approach to managing inflammation and promoting overall well-being. Mental focus and clarity. The aroma of cloves and cinnamon can have an invigorating effect on the mind, helping improve mental focus, concentration, and overall cognitive function. By harnessing the power of aromatherapy through the scents of cloves and cinnamon, you can create an environment that supports mental focus, clarity, and cognitive function. These aromatic experiences can be integrated into your morning routine to set a positive tone for the day ahead. Energy boost. The blend of spices in this drink provides a comprehensive means of increasing energy levels. By enhancing blood flow, aiding metabolism, and improving cognitive awareness, cloves and cinnamon complement each other to improve your overall sense of liveliness. This natural energy boost is an excellent way to start your day on a positive note and set the tone for a productive and energetic day. Hydration support. Starting your day with a warm beverage infused with cloves and cinnamon is an essential way to promote hydration and increase your overall well-being. This effortless yet impactful routine not only guarantees that you begin your day with adequate fluid intake, but also establishes a healthy basis for mindful hydration throughout the day. Appetite regulation. By incorporating cloves and cinnamon into your diet, you can effectively regulate your appetite by influencing hormones, flavor perceptions, and meal experiences. These spices can be instrumental in weight management, as they promote mindful eating, diminish cravings, and instill a sense of satiety. The aromatic properties of cloves and cinnamon can help suppress appetite, potentially aiding in weight management efforts. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of drinking cloves with cinnamon in the morning, let's guide you through how to prepare this revitalizing elixir. Step 1. Add a few cloves and a cinnamon stick to a cup. Step 2. To enhance the flavor, pour hot water over the spices and consider adding tea. Step 3. Let the drink steep for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors and benefits to infuse. As you take your first sip of this aromatic concoction, you're setting the stage for a day filled with potential health benefits. Remember that consistency is key to experiencing the full effects of this morning ritual. Just a quick note of caution. While cloves and cinnamon offer remarkable health benefits, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content on natural remedies and holistic well-being. Embrace the magic of cloves and cinnamon and let their aromatic essence become an integral part of your morning routine. Nature has provided us with countless treasures to support our health journey, and this delightful drink is just one of them. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.